Good morning, students. Hope you are studying well. Today we are going to start with first chapter of geography called environment. We have heard this word many times, right? But today we would understand its actual meaning. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. But do you know that human beings have modified this environment to a great extent? The car fumes pollute the air, water is collected in a pot, food is served in vessels, and land is used to build factories. Also, human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufacture containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. In other words, we can say that the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. Children, let me introduce you with two new terms. First one is biotic, which is the world of living organisms like plants and animals, while the other term is abiotic, which is the world of non-living elements like land. You would be surprised to know that natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Now it's the time to study the components of environment. Look carefully at the diagram presented on the screen. We can see that components of environment are divided into three parts. First one is natural, second human, and the third one is human made. Let us first consider natural component of environment. As we have discussed earlier, natural environment includes both living and non-living things. Among non-living elements come land or lithosphere, air or atmosphere, and water or hydrosphere. Let us learn some facts about these domains. First one is lithosphere. It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. Also, it is not regular as it has various landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. It provides us forests, grasslands for grazing, land for agriculture, and human settlements. It is also a source of mineral wealth. The next domain is of water, which is referred to as hydrosphere. Under it comes various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. Moreover, the next domain is atmosphere. It is a thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce the changes in the weather and climate. Next component is human. Under it comes family, community, religion, educational, economic and political situation. And the last category of human made, which includes all the things made by humans like buildings, industries, monuments, and so on. Furthermore, plant and animal kingdom together make the biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. Children, all plants, animals, and human beings depend on their surroundings and interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as between organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of a large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Now let us talk about human beings, environment, and modification. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented. Surplus food was produced. Barter system emerged. Trade started and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world.